The evolution of media and communication spans the prehistoric age of cave paintings, the industry age of print media, the electronic age of radio and TV, and the new information age of digital and social media.
Mom, look at this news. News, you want we go there?
You see.
Start karon daw Miguel.
Patola! Masarap! Enome!
Digital radio.
Okay tayo, yes pa.
So kung bati ka ron, sila Miguel dito dapita. Nini make sure mga panas na. Sige, so standby lang, slow ka na.
Wow, the internet is so fast. I love it. I think I love this generation. As technology continues to advance, one thing remains certain. The power of media shape our world and our relationships will only continue to grow. Join us as we explore the future of communication together.